Hi guys, I'm here with a very small but super powerful and very versatile light. It's absolutely incredible which kind of functions we have here in this very small light. So I'm going to show you what's in the box and then how we can use that. You will be absolutely blown away by the functions which we have here built in. And so here again you can see how small this really is. It has a built-in rechargeable battery and has a brightness of up to 1000 lumen. It's drop resistant, waterproof. It has a beeping alarm flash. It is even magnetic. We have a red and blue flash. By the way, the model type is V10. We have an effective range of up to 100 meters. It's IPX4 waterproof, of course not suitable for submerging, but definitely nothing to worry during a rain shower. Very modern Type-C charging. Whopping 1000 milliamp charge, small size, lightweight. Yeah, absolutely amazing. So let's take it out here. And it looks absolutely awesome. So this would be also a great gift. So here we have the charging cable, definitely modern USB-C. And so here we have it. Watch this thing, how beautiful this is. If you have some high-tech fans in your family or friends, this would be the perfect gift for Christmas, no doubt about that. And so here we have also the short user manual with the specs. Comes also with this key ring because we have this hook here which you can use to apply this or use a hand strap. And then of course highly recommended to give a full charge. We have even a waterproof lid here. So we plug it in. You can see it shows red while it's charging. So we can charge it pretty much everywhere. We can charge it from a computer USB-A outlet. We can charge it from a wall plug, or you can charge it from a simple power bank when you're out in the woods. For a full charge it takes about 2.5 hours and then it goes to green. So we can then remove the charging cable. Make sure that you close the lid properly. We do not only have this hook, but we have also very strong magnet. So we can attach it almost everywhere where we have metal. And then we have two instant functions with long press. So here for the light, when we long press, it goes into super bright light. Of course, this is the brightest light. This only lasts about 2.5 hours, but it is definitely super bright. And it's not only bright, it's also wide. You can see it has a very wide angle. And on the left side, we have the instant alarm. When we long press here, shows red and blue, and it's emitting the audible alarm with 80 decibel. What I like is that it can be easily heard, but it's not too loud. But of course we do not only have the instant functions, we have also the longer lasting functions, and they work with 2 or 3 press. So let's start on the left side with 2 press. It really depends on the speed which you are using. So if it's not working, you have to change the speed a little bit. Make sure that you're not pressing too fast or too slow. But when you're using the right speed, it goes into the first mode here. That's some kind of police mode. And even though it's showing blue, it's not UV because the UV is not here on the top or on the side. The UV light is actually here, but I'm going to show you that later. So when we are in this mode here, we can switch through all the 8 modes easily with just pushing once here. You can see here it goes into this white light, then we have this warm white, then we have the green light, then we have the red light, then we have the steady blue, flashing red, and then we are back in the police mode. When we want to turn it off from any state, we have to long press. On the left side, we can also activate the UV light by pressing 3 times. Not too fast, not too slow. 1, 2, 3. Okay, now so we have it. It's confirmed by the green light on top. And so we have a strong UV light. Make sure that you're not pointing towards your unprotected eyes because it's a strong UV light. I can show you that. On this card we have a UV sensitive white area. And when I point the UV light just shortly towards this area, you can see the difference. Okay, it shows already dark purple. That's incredible how fast it reacts. So it's definitely a pretty strong UV light. It's also a lot of fun to use UV light in the dark to find some dirty spots in the home or chase some bugs outside. You can see how strong this is. Also to turn off the UV light, we long press here on the left side. And then we have the different functions of the white main light. We can activate that with double push on the right side. Also make sure that you are using the right speed. Not too fast, not too slow. Shows quick confirmation with the green light, but the green light will turn off. You can see it goes back into the settings which you had already. And so we have 4 different strengths. That's the lowest one, but still very bright. This lasts for up to 33 hours with just one charge. This is absolutely phenomenal. So that would be also perfect for a weekend trip out in the woods. And with every push it increases the brightness. So that's the second level, third level, and highest level. Of course, the camera is adapting always to the brightness, but this is definitely super, super bright. And again, not only super bright, but also very wide. So this can help a lot when you're outside and need to see a lot. And with another push, it goes back into the lowest setting. And so we can cycle through these modes. But of course, there's a reason why it says hot. On the highest beam mode, it gets really super hot. So you can imagine how strong this really is. And so I've been outside for a while testing how strong it is. I've been in my backyard where I have barely any illumination. You can see the difference. So this is on the lowest brightness. Of course, it's not illuminating very far, but already nicely illuminating the path. Here on level 2 a little bit more, and here on level 3 you can see it already reaches to the palm tree, and on level 4 you can see it's really nicely illuminating everything. The way the back here, everything up to the tree and also to the side. That's also what I really like when we activate the full illumination. It's not just illuminating very far, but also to the side, which is also some additional safety. I really like it how this works. So I would say overall a really awesome device, super, super versatile, has even a powerful double white light. This is also something which I like, that we do not only have one light. It's very drop resistant, but in case there's still something happening with one of the lights, you still have the other light. So definitely the perfect survival light. So I can give you full recommendation. And so if you're interested, I'll put down the link to the Amazon listing down into the description, so you can check it out and order it right from there if you like it. And I hope I've been able to help you a little bit with this video. If you have any questions or comments, just write to the comment section below. I'm always happy to talk about these things. And if you liked the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. See you next time.